What is up, YouTube? On Right Shirt Chronicles episode 2. No, just kidding. We're putting neon lights on the what's it called?
The Focus.
On the Focus, in the Focus ST. I'm just kidding, guys. We're not doing some Right Shirt Chronicles. Well, we are doing some Right Shirt Chronicles because we're gonna figure out how to install this shit. I know I said I was gonna do Alex's car, but the fucking injector seals are not here yet until tomorrow. Unfortunately, it got delayed. So I was gonna do his car today, but so might as well use some time. I saw some videos and I read that. I translated the instructions into English because they were in German. It doesn't look that bad. Makes it look super simple. All right, so first thing you want to do, I'm gonna have to take this off. It's just 412s, so just 2 12s over here. One right there, one over there by the O2 sensor, and then one up here, and then one over there. I'm not gonna lie, guys, but working the ground sucks. I took the shield off, and then also, it's gonna be a 14 that holds this linkage in there, which is like right up here. Just take the 14 off, just loosen it all the way, just to get it away from like the welded nut on there. And all you gotta do is just pull down far enough to where you know you can get the bolt free. So as you can tell, I also disconnected the reverse lockout cable because we're not gonna need this anymore. But now that I got this off, I gotta take these 2 12s off, which is right here, these 2 12s. All right, so for in here, to take this off and this off, you gotta pull this e-brake boot up. So literally it just clips, so just pop it up. And there's gonna be a 10 mil, I mean not 10 mil, Phillips head right here. And then 2 10 mils in here. Well, when someone's all this shit, there's like 2 10 mils in here. Take those off, and then you can pop this off completely and push it out the way. And then this, of course, I'll turn the light off actually. And then this, you just take the shift nut out completely, take it all the way out. All right, so like I said, I pop this open, see, like so. And then this one is just a little cover, so all you gotta do is just literally, well, take everything out from in here first before you do anything. And all you gotta do is just pop it. It's kind of hard to do in one hand, but there we go. So you just pop it open, just like that, and then put this in fourth. I'll try to put it in fourth. And there's gonna be a little connector in the back for the STI logo, so it lights up. So just disconnect that from. All right, so the 12 that I was talking about was this one right here, this long ass one. Just kind of goes through here and into the, what's it called, to the shifter. And then take that off, that'll be free. And that's gonna be 4 12s on each corner right here. Took those off already, sure, these ones right here. Now you pretty much gotta ink it all out somehow. Well, first I'm gonna take this whole boot off. I want to take these clips off from the sides, take them off, and then it should come off. So let me get to it and I'll show you guys right now. All right, so I took the shifter out. Like I said, this linkage still in here. It's still in there, so I'm gonna have to go into the car and get those pins out. And then, but I don't need that anymore. Well, I need that boot, just I'm gonna have to modify it just so no water comes in here when I put the other shifter on. So I'm going to do that. And then on the pins on the bottom, one is inside, you have to push it out completely, and then you got to push out the other one. That's the only way you can get it out. Otherwise, you're going to be having a headache trying to get it out. So I got the inner pin out. So this is the inner pin. What I did is I got like this screwdriver, a little Phillips, kind of long, and I just did the very tip and I tapped it out just enough just so I could get this little tiny skinny screwdriver in there. And what it did was just hit in the sides perfectly, and then just slowly came out. So now I gotta do the same thing with this one to get the bigger one out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a pin right here. See that pin to the little dial looking thing? Yeah, that pin, that's where the inner one goes in, and then that one goes in. So now I'm gonna take that one out, and then this whole linkage should be ready to pull out. I also made it a lot easier by taking the bracket off, the one that held the other linkage in there. I took this off, it's just 3 12s. Took this out, and it just made it a lot easier to kind of get access to it. I mean, you don't need that bracket anymore either, because like I said, you're only replacing the one linkage going. Alright, so I got both pins out. The second one was even worse actually. what I had to do was use this flathead to kind of get it started, and then once I got it kind of in there, and I used a Phillips just to kind of start getting it out, and then both of them popped out. And there you go, second linkage is out. Throwing this new one over here, this bad boy. Woo! Look at that. Because it's a lot easier to install. You just kind of put a 13 mil and it goes all the way through instead of having to put those pins back in, because fuck those pins. Actually, first things first, this bracket right here is to hold the reverse lockout open all the way. So see that bracket right here, so that bracket just pretty much holds the reverse lockout, holds it open so you can go into reverse. All right, so I guess there's an extension package for Subaru 2008 and up. So this little guy right here is gonna slide on in there like. All right, so I'll put the extension on, and I'll put the the shift linkage through now. Now I gotta modify this bracket over here. Oh, there's a rubber piece. I'm probably gonna cut right here just enough so it goes all the way through without having any issues. Okay, so little status update. I didn't end up putting this boot on because I mean I kind of fucked it up. It went a little too much, and you can see the drive shaft and I don't want any of that shit coming inside. So what I did is a little shift boot that was on the shifter itself, like the little rubber piece that was like on the shifter itself. We're stroking and shit. I put it on the bottom. All right, so I think I got it. So the little bolt down here, the little hex one I was talking to you guys about. So move that one all the way to the right. That kind of seems to be like where third's at. Like if I go straight up, that's third, fourth, and then this corner one, as you can tell, there's a little Allen key, like super tiny. It kind of holds this rod in from going too far. So you go all the way to the left, it like stops right there, and then you go front. That's first, second, push up third, push down fourth, and then this top one right here. See those two little stud things, looking things. So the front one, that's fifth. So when you go all the way to the right and up, that's fifth, and then down six. And then if you want to go reverse, you'll pull that, and then you go all the way to the right. Oh, something like that. Hold on. Oh, I was in gear. Then all the way to the right. Boom. Ta-da. So again, this shit is super short, so it's kind of hard to fucking tell. So ready? Woo! Woo, doggy. Nice and tight. Give you a little Allen to go on, put on top. Now the cherry on top. Little Allen on here. Looks like a H6. The final piece of the puzzle. Now what I mean, jelly bean. Ooh. 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 I can actually be like and reverse. Boom! Look at that. Chill feels nice. Ooh, it's just wet. Honestly, I like it so much. I'm here stroking it like. I can't wait to drive this. Unfortunately, right now it's still a little too late to go drive it, so that's it for this install. I'm not gonna go drive it, just kind of keep just to tease you guys, you know. And after I go get tuned, I'll make a POV video. You guys don't want to miss out, so subscribe. No, I'll give you a second. Just kidding. All right, so I'm glad you guys subscribed. If you guys didn't subscribe, then you guys are gonna miss out. You guys are gonna miss out. I'm telling you this now. Without further ado, that's it for this video. So peace out. Catch you guys in the next one. You know.